Kawdi nyime henyo gai mar don bura mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua oktumosuo kod gai mar ODM Raila Odinga moko ni tiyo marach kod jera mage motiyo go e donjo e piny owacho. Rigathi oloso California kamoko ni Odinga ok rang dwach jokanyo mamiye sir. Omero ni kinde osiopo kendo jok mosebedo kamoro Raila kod William Ruto koro setang' maok nomigi sir e yiero mabiro.
And let me tell you, this cousin movement is the greatest thing to have ever happened in Kenya. Because our cousins have been misused by Raila for a long time. Long time. Every election cycle, he has been mobilizing my cousins. From the Mlembe Nation, from the Kamba Nation, from the Luya Nation, from the Kisi Nation, from the Mijikenda Nation, from the Taita Nation, and mobilizing all those cousins and cheating them that he's taking them to Canaan. And because people have Canaan, my cousins fell for it for many years. The minute he gets there, he doesn't intend to be president. He has no such intention. He's not interested. He likes power, but with no responsibility. He doesn't know how to take responsibility. So he creates problems. He is invited into government and starts eating.